What is up, y'all? I hate plain Teslas. That's why mine looks like this. We already have one plain Tesla here and another one plain Tesla just over there. Just no more plain Teslas. One of the first things that I really wanted to do but just haven't gotten around to it is adding a front lip to the car. I mean, it's so simple. You're basically just clipping an extension on the front, and sometimes you might get better aerodynamics, but definitely a better look. You already know what it is, that stock Tesla lip right here. It's plain, it's simple, it works. But it's plain and simple. It's just flat. There's no dynamics to it. It's just a flat lip. And same with here or the Model Y. It's just either or, you're getting the same exact thing. So I wanted something just a little bit different, and we have it up here. It's this 3-piece lip, and it all comes together to look like a super seamless design. I'll just pick up one side right now. Look at that. Look at those angles, man. It's gonna make the car look so much meaner. And then we have these parts right here. Yeah, you're definitely seeing some fins. Mine are custom painted white. You can't get them in white, but they have other colors, and I'll have those in the description below the like button. You can check those out, or you can have your local paint guy sand it, paint it. That's what I did, just to match the overall white theme of the car, right? It's a pretty cool vibe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is it too much white? Is it just enough white? I think it's great. So we're gonna start installing these. The tools that you'll need: microfiber. You want isopropyl alcohol, that way you can clean it and kind of prep the surface for the adhesion, because these have adhesive strips on the back. To get the adhesive strips off, I'm using this little pick tool, and to put them in, we're going to be using the washer and screws that come with the kit. For that, I have a ratchet that I'll be using, as well as a drill to help put it in. That's pretty much it. After we clean, what we need to do is look underneath the car, guys. You're gonna find some of these push pins, and we're going to want to take this little pick tool and essentially pull them out. Whoop. The entire way across the bottom, there are a bunch of these guys, and you're gonna want to remove all of them. Now, when you put it on, you kind of want to align it to the middle. I have this handy front camera right here, which is awesome, and I totally recommend it, by the way, but you can align it with this middle part of the grill right there and really just slide it in. Now, there's a little bit of play, like side to side, but if you really push it in all the way like this, there should be no play. So it's super simple to align it, because it will actually align itself. Look, so once it's pushed all the way in, if I try moving it side to side, it does not move. So this is what we're gonna want. On the back of it, there is these adhesive strips. We're just gonna peel these off and put it on. It's so funny looking like this. Let's go ahead and grab one of the other pieces. I'm just gonna start with the right side, and that one is just going to pretty much sit like that. All right, that is the adhesive taken off. All we really gotta do now is line it up. Now, this adhesive is super strong, so let's make sure we got a good fit before we smash it down. My strat is just gonna be to kind of slide it into the side like that. All right. This looks good. And just push it down there. Y'all, that looks tough. That looks like a completely different front bumper. Holy smokes. Come on, tell me that does not look crazy aggressive. Oh man. And that is that. Now, we got the bumper guy. We're gonna wanna go ahead and put all these little clips back in. And now, if you look underneath, there are little holes where these can go through. The next thing we're gonna do is get all of our screws, get our drill, and then start drilling under here, securing this bad boy to the car. Some key tips real quick. You might wanna make sure you're using a Phillips head that fits the screw head perfectly. If you don't, you risk stripping the screw head. So that's something to be aware of. Also, I ended up not using the ratchet set. I just used the drill, my little right angle, and it's totally fine from there. Now, drilling through the plastic, it can be a little bit hard, so I also used a drill bit to pre-drill the hole. 7/64 bit worked perfectly fine. And that's pretty much it for this lip installation, guys. If you want one for yourself, I have 2 other options. They'll be in the description below the like button, as well as all the tools. Let me know what you think, because I love this new look.